Good morning, noon, or night, whenever you are watching this video. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I want to thank you all so very much for clicking on this here video. Today, I'm coming to you all to show you a set that I created using wood beads. Now, I'm going to say about a few weeks ago, I came to you all and showed y'all some earrings. Well, actually, I did a DIY on these earrings right here. This is what started it. These wood beads. And I decided to do a matching bracelet and a choker using these same beads, okay? So I just wanted to come to you all really quick to show you all what I have created. You all know how to do this right here. I did a DIY on it. So now I'm going to show y'all the next thing that I created, and that's this bracelet. Now I'm going to say the day before yesterday, I did another DIY on this bracelet, showing y'all how to make and create beautiful pieces just using wood beads and aluminum wire, y'all. This set is going to be gifted to a beautiful queen. So I just wanted to come and showcase and show y'all how to make and create it. And I hope y'all make and create plenty, okay? The next thing I'm going to show y'all is the choker. And this is the choker that I have created using the same beads. The only difference with this is that I put a bead in between each one. Okay? So this set consists of a bracelet. You get it all right here. Bracelet. Listen to me, bracelet. Choker. Bracelet and earrings. I am going to put some chain on the back so that when the queen gets it, she can adjust it to her neck. It won't be too tight. And that's pretty much it. So I want to thank those of you who have decided to click on this video and watch this video. I greatly appreciate it so very much. And I got some more stuff that's going to be coming your way, so be on the lookout. The DIY that I showed y'all the other day, that video won't be uploaded probably until today is Tuesday. So probably Wednesday or Thursday, that project will be coming to you all. So I want to thank y'all for taking the time out to watch this video. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. And until the next one, peace and blessings. See ya.